Is your diesel tractor overheating? Temp gauge climbing? Coolant boiling? And you're wondering if the engine's about to die? Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. Overheating tractors usually aren't broken. They're neglected. Today, I'm going to show you the real causes of diesel tractor overheating and the real fixes in step-by-step without wasting money on parts you don't need. Welcome to Farm Fix Nation Official, where tractors get fixed, not junked. What overheating really means. Diesel engines are built to run hot, but when they overheat, something is stopping heat from escaping. Overheating is not the problem. It's a symptom. If you ignore it, you're looking at blown head gasket, warped head, cracked block, thousands in repairs. So let's fix the cause, not guess. Cause 1. Dirty clogged radiator. This is the #1 cause, by far. Farm tractors suck in dirt, chaff, grass, and dust all day long. That stuff packs into the radiator fins and blocks airflow. Air can't move. Heat can't escape. Temperature skyrockets. How to fix it? Blow radiator out with compressed air from the engine side out. Wash fins with low-pressure water. Don't bend the fins. Don't blast it with a pressure washer. Tip: if you can't see light through the radiator, it's clogged. Cause 2. Low or wrong coolant. Low coolant equals no heat transfer. Wrong coolant equals corrosion and overheating. Diesel engines need the right coolant mix, not straight water, not random antifreeze. Check this. Radiator level, engine cold. Overflow tank level. Coolant color. Warning signs. Rusty coolant. Milky coolant. Oil floating on top. That means bigger problems if ignored. Cause 3, airflow blocked. Radiators don't work if air can't reach them. Check for mud packed into grill plastic covers left on screens, clogged loader attachments blocking airflow. Even a clean radiator won't cool without air. Cause 4, fan belt or fan issues. If the fan isn't spinning right, cooling is done. Check. Belt tightness, belt cracks or glazing, fan blades broken or bent. If the belt slips, the fan slows. If the fan slows, heat builds fast. Cause 5, thermostat problems. Thermostats don't fail often, but when they do, they fail closed. That means coolant can't circulate. Symptoms: overheats fast, upper hose hot, lower hose cold. Temp spikes suddenly. Test it before replacing it. Cause 6, water pump issues. This is not the first thing to blame, but check for coolant leaks at the pump bearing noise, no coolant movement. If the pump's shot, coolant won't circulate. Common myths. It's just an old tractor. Diesels always run hot. It needs a bigger radiator. No, it needs maintenance. Step-by-step overheating checklist. 1. Clean radiator and screens. 2. Check coolant level and condition. 3. Inspect airflow path. 4. Check fan and belt. 5. Test thermostat. 6. Inspect water pump. Do this in order. Don't skip steps. What happens if you ignore it? Overheating doesn't blow engines instantly. It kills them slowly. Head gasket failure, coolant in oil, engine knock, full rebuild. And that's where tractors go to die. If your tractor's overheating, don't panic, don't guess, don't start replacing parts. Fix the basics first. If this helped you, hit like. Subscribe to Farm Fix Nation Official. We fix tractors, not guess. Repair, restore, run strong.